Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Miguel, and today I will be reviewing yet another art piece from the supernatural folklore. So today's subject is the Garuda. That is a creature known from Buddhist and Southeast Asian mythology, and typically it's portrayed as being golden. Today I will be showing you my version of how it's being drawn. So the material I am using is Copic markers, pencil, and ink pen. So let's get started on this step-by-step process of how I drew the Garuda. So here I began with the sketch work as usual, but I focused mainly on making a distinct head shape, and I made a more humanoid form since it is a fantastical creature after all. With the head I made it a bit more abstract as to not being able to tell whether it's human or a beast or some kind of bird creature, but I did add a bit like a combination of fur and feathers all around, and I did maintain this sort of beak shape in the head. So here add a bit more feathers and fur in the arms and the legs. I start going over with the ink pen, getting all the details done, adding some variety of line weight. And here with the Copics, I'm giving a bit more of a, not so much a golden look, but I guess you could say a combination of white, silvery white, mixed with green and yellow and some brown and orange, a bit more earthy look. And here there's a bit of more of a hint of eyes, but I keep it kind of abstract, and a long tail. So here we have it, the Garuda, my version of the Garuda. I hope you enjoyed that time lapse, so be sure to like and share this video and check out all the other videos on this channel.